Gardening is a timeless and rewarding pursuit that allows individuals to cultivate and nurture the beauty of nature in their own outdoor spaces. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your gardening journey, one essential tool that can significantly enhance your gardening experience is the garden tiller. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the world of garden tillers, delving into their different types, key features, and factors to consider when choosing the best one for your gardening needs. Number 1. Sunjo TJ603E 16-inch electric tiller. Sunjo TJ603E 16-inch 12-amp electric tiller and cultivator in green is an excellent addition to any gardener's toolkit. Its durable design, user-friendly features, and outstanding performance make it a top contender in its category. First things first, let's talk about the build of the Sunjo TJ603E. It's evident that Sunjo has put a lot of thought into this product's design. The plastic construction feels sturdy, and it's rust-resistant, which is a huge plus for a tool that's going to be exposed to the elements. The 6 steel-angled tines are a testament to its durability, ensuring that this tiller and cultivator can handle even tough soil conditions without breaking a sweat. Moreover, the handle folds for convenient storage, making it a space saver in your garage or shed. The 3-position wheel adjustment is a handy feature, allowing you to customize the depth and precision of your tilling. Plus, it's maintenance-free, so you won't be bothered with constant upkeep. The electric corded power source ensures consistent performance, eliminating the need to worry about running out of gas or charging batteries. Just plug it in, switch it on, and you're good to go. It's user-friendly and doesn't require any special skills to operate. Pros: durable construction, convenient foldable handle for storage, adjustable wheel positions, maintenance-free operation, electric power source. Cons: corded design limits mobility. Number 2. Fiskars Telescoping Garden Tiller. The Fiskars Telescoping Rotary Cultivator is your one-stop solution for soil aeration and cultivating. Designed with gardening enthusiasts in mind, this tool stands out with its unique extendable handle, allowing users to seamlessly adjust its length from 40 to 60 inches. Crafted with a combination of aluminum and Fiskars' signature fiber comp material, this cultivator promises both strength and longevity. The rust-proof aluminum cultivating wheels are designed to endure heavy use, ensuring that your investment will stand the test of time. The ergonomic telescoping handle is, without a doubt, a standout feature. Not only does it fit your body perfectly, but the adjustable length ensures maximum comfort while gardening, allowing you to tackle even the toughest soils with minimal effort. The Fiskars Telescoping Rotary Cultivator isn't your typical gardening tool. With its 6 aluminum wheels, it offers power and precision that's unmatched. For those tricky areas, you can even remove the center wheels, allowing for precise cultivation. This feature-rich tool is all about providing flexibility and adaptability to the user. Pros: customizable length and comfort, lightweight and durable design, rust-proof aluminum cultivating wheels, center wheels can be removed, full lifetime warranty. Cons: may require a bit of getting used to. Number 3. BILT Hard Tiller Cultivator. BILT Hard Tiller Cultivator is a gardening game-changer. Its robust design, powerful motor, and versatility make it an excellent choice for gardeners of all levels. While it may be slightly heavy and corded, the benefits it brings to your garden outweigh these drawbacks. The first thing that struck me about the BILT Hard Tiller Cultivator is its sturdy build and compact design. It's clear that this tool is built to last. The alloy steel construction feels robust and durable, and the 6 steel tines are rust-resistant, ensuring longevity even in humid climates. What impressed me even more is the foldable design of this cultivator. With 4 quick bolt knob combinations and an H-handle, it's incredibly easy to store and transport. No more struggling to find a corner of your shed to fit this in. It neatly folds away, ready for the next gardening session. Let's talk power. The BILT Hard Tiller boasts a powerful 13.5-amp, 19,000 RPM AC motor. This means it can effortlessly cultivate up to 16 inches in width and 8.7 inches in depth. The main connection is safeguarded with a 16-amp slow-blow fuse for your safety, a feature I truly appreciate. The front tines are where the magic happens, with 6 rust-resistant blades, each rotating at a max speed of 360 RPM, and 4 angled tines. This tiller slices through soil like a hot knife through butter. It's perfect for breaking new ground or reinvigorating existing soil in your garden, lawn, or flower beds. Adjustability is another strong suit of this cultivator. It comes equipped with 2-position 6-inch wheels, allowing you to adjust the depth and maneuverability according to your specific gardening needs. The BILT Hard Tiller Cultivator is your right-hand assistant in the garden. It not only loosens compacted soil but also effortlessly removes weeds and helps mix in compost, ensuring your plants get the nutrients they need to thrive. Whether you have a small vegetable patch or a medium-sized garden, this tool will save you hours of back-breaking work. Pros: powerful 13 5-amp motor, sturdy and durable construction, foldable design for easy storage, adjustable wheels for versatility, efficient at soil cultivation. Cons: slightly heavy at 23.4 pounds. Number 4. Earthwise TC70016 Corded Electric Tiller. The Earthwise TC70016 16-inch 13.5-amp corded electric tiller, cultivator, colored in a sleek gray, is a tool specifically designed to make your gardening and farming experiences smooth and hassle-free, boasting impressive features like 6 adjustable tines and a potent 13.5-amp motor. This cultivator seeks to redefine your relationship with the soil. Clad in a refined gray, the Earthwise tiller resonates with a contemporary yet understated charm. With dimensions 40 by 40 by 16, 2 inches and weighing just a kilogram, it's the epitome of compact strength. This tiller isn't just about looks. The ergonomic handle promises hours of comfortable use, making it a breeze to navigate even the most challenging terrains. Despite its lightweight, the build quality is uncompromising, ensuring longevity and reliability. With 6 adjustable tines and an adjustable width of 11 inches to 16, this tiller provides unparalleled flexibility, allowing you to till various ground types and spaces. The 13.5-amp motor ensures the tiller slices through the earth with a force to reckon with, making even the hardest soils submit to its power. An ergonomic handle and a lightweight design make it easy on the hands and back, while the 16-inch tine length ensures deep and effective tilling. Pros: high adjustability with 6 tines, powerful 13.5-amp motor, ergonomic and user-friendly design, lightweight and easy storage. Cons: corded, limiting mobility. Number 5. Troy BILT Gas Garden Tiller. Troy BILT boasts a reputation for durable and robust outdoor power equipment, and the gas garden tiller doesn't disappoint. Crafted from alloy steel, this beast stands at 31.75 by 16.5 by 15.25 inches. The bright red color is not only eye-catching but also adds a sense of power to the whole experience. But it's not just aesthetics. The 4-cycle, 30cc engine is a true game-changer. Not only is it cleaner for the environment, but it also produces significantly less noise. The gas-powered engine eliminates the messy mixing of gas and oil, making your gardening endeavors a cleaner and less fussy affair. The Troy BILT Gas Garden Tiller offers a range of features that truly make it a gardener's dream. Spring assist technology ensures effortless pull starts, sparing you the agony of struggling with a stubborn engine. Additionally, the Prime and Go starting system simplifies the process to a fast, 2-step starting ritual. The adjustable tilling width from 6 inches to 12 inches is a cherry on top. It handles a variety of tasks with ease, from aerating soil for planting to digging trenches for irrigation lines. I found this versatility particularly handy in my garden, as it could adapt to different tasks seamlessly. Pros: powerful 4-cycle engine, no messy gas and oil mixing, effortless pull starts, a